Hi, we are Group 3 of DCC. The teammates are Amara Abhisarika, Akhilesh Reddy Pothireddy, Avinash Abhina, Mahesh Gumula, Supriya Kunta, Sirisha Tigala. We are going to discuss about cloud computing. The agenda is cloud provider, cloud consumer, cloud broker, cloud carrier, cloud auditor, cloud use cases, and cloud service management. The next one is cloud provider. Microsoft Azure, uh, Amazon AWS, and Google are some of the popular cloud providers we have. The cloud service provider serves cloud users, which means cloud provider offers storage, processing, and networking. They host and manage infrastructure services, allowing individuals and computers to use computational resources without much hardware and infrastructure. Next slide is cloud provider service orchestration, which is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Uh, Infrastructure as a service, which is IaaS, is a host, and PaaS is a build, and SaaS is a consume. IaaS cloud provision consumers the capability to access virtual computers, network accesses, and storage online. PaaS can employ the tools and execute resources provided by cloud providers for the purpose of deploying, testing, and developing and managing the applications. SaaS applications are usually deployed as a host and services and access via network connecting SaaS consumers and providers. Next is cloud provider deployment models. Private cloud and public cloud are two different deployment models. Which has a private cloud has enterprise only one enterprise, but public cloud has multiple enterprises with one consumer. Next will be continued by Amara Abhisarika.
Yeah. Coming to cloud consumer, users who use the cloud from individuals to enterprises and want to take advantages with flexible, scalable, and affordable cloud computing. They interact with providers of cloud services, signing agreements to make use of and pay for different cloud services. Service level agreements create a clear, mutually acceptable structure for cloud service delivery by defining the terms, conditions, and performance expectations. Organizations of all sizes are increasingly migrating their IT infrastructure to the cloud to enhance agility and streamline operations. Cloud consumers enter into contracts with cloud service providers to access a variety of services, including computer power, storage, and software applications. Service level agreements play a crucial role in governing the relationship between cloud consumers and providers. Defining the terms, conditions, and performance expectation, these agreements ensure a mutual understanding of service levels, uptime guarantees, and support responsive. Next, coming to Cloud Broker, it chooses the best clouds for applications according to pre-established criteria. Enabling C3 cloud services, this is especially useful for sophisticated mixed cloud systems, in which software-defined infrastructure serves as the main gateway to integrate many public and private clouds. OpenStack, VMware, Google Cloud, and Amazon Web Services are a few of the platforms that are a part of these ecosystems and offer a variety of alternatives for customized cloud solutions. The cloud broker's role is to navigate the complexity of these offerings, considering factors such as workload characteristics, data residency regulations, and cost implications. By doing so, it ensures that applications run efficiently and cost effectively while meeting the organization's specific criteria. Next slides are explained by Supriya.
Yeah, I'm here to explain how cloud carrier works from user to providers, and a cloud carrier connects both the companies and customer to the cloud services. To use the cloud services, like there should be a source like cloud services network which provides us connectivity and transport between the user and provider, like mobile devices, cloud businesses networks and other can use it. Cloud computing works on PCs, phones, tablets, even smart toilets and net telecom and transport broker sells cloud services. HTT transports moves large drives. Cloud carrier slash enables providers meet consumers loss. Cloud companies may need private cloud carrier connection for the clients. So many companies will buy this cloud carrier to store their data. Next, cloud auditor. Uh, how cloud auditor works? It depends on third party. A third party cloud auditor evaluates cloud services, IT operations, performance, and security. Companies access cloud environment, utility, efficiency, and security. It depends on the third party and stores the data in the different database with their connectivity. And this may evaluate industry standards, data security, risk management, and system performance. For cloud security and compliance, enterprises need immaterial cloud auditor evaluations and suggestions. So, based on this, third party will take the cloud services and provide it to the user. And so, in this way, we will send and receive the and we can store as the data on cloud services. And followed by Mahesh.
Mahesh, unmute, please.
So in this way, we need to I want to discuss about cloud use cases. We have two deployments, deployment 1 and deployment 2. In deployment 1, cloud services provide host and administration apps, data, and service for companies. To ease management, this method pools all cloud resources. As we see in the picture, we have a single cloud, and the company is to uh, have an inside storage, email, and CRM, and the company is logged in to the one cloud vendor. So the organization may have trouble switching cloud providers due to vendor clock-in. So one provider can trigger network wide disruptions. So coming to the deployment too, we have multiple deployments, split workouts between cloud providers, and we have multiple clouds like in this we have individuals like email, storage, and CRM, but the company has more flexibility with multiple cloud vendors. Vendor provides independence, decrease vendor clock in, and enhance reliability. Data consistency, security, and compliance across cloud ecosystems are considered. As we see in the deployment 1 and deployment 2, these are the cloud use cases, followed by Avinash.
Yeah, the last point on our agenda is about discussing cloud service management. So, cloud service management can be broadly classified into four different categories. They are portability, interoperability, security, and privacy. Uh, so, coming to portability, cloud portability refers to the ability to move applications, workloads, or data seamlessly across different cloud environments. They may be belonging to the same company or they may be belonging to a different domain. This includes migrating assets from one cloud provider to another or between on-premises and cloud environments. Next slide, please. So the following picture depicts how portability works. There are two cloud interfaces here, the primary interface being the Azure cloud and the secondary interface being the Google cloud. So the data can be mirrored from Azure to Google Cloud Platform, and the users of both the clouds can clone and fetch the data. And once the task for the data is completed, they can push the data back in, and the data will be stored in the primary cloud platform. So that's how portability works. My teammate Sirisha will explain the rest of the three categories.
And here is the cloud interoperability. Refers to the capability of different cloud systems to work together seamlessly and allowing data and services to be shared and used across multiple cloud platforms. And next is cloud security. Cloud security is the cloud data, applications, and infrastructures must be secure, protect sensitive data by encrypting it, implementing strong authentication and access control, and monitoring security threats. Cloud security, which protects against unauthorized access, data breaches, and other cyber risks, safeguards the confidentiality and integrity and availability of data stored in the cloud. The advantage of cloud data security is that provides investigation in cutting edges of AI technologies. And next is cloud security. Sorry, cloud privacy. And this cloud privacy safeguards personal data and assures privacy appliances. Cloud service companies must disclose privacy policies, obtain consent for data processing, and gives consumers data control. Privacy in the cloud keeps sensitive data from being accessed or used illegally and helps customers trust cloud services company. And safeguarding the data in cloud from losses, leakage, and misuses. Thank you.